Recipe to have money all month. IT works. How to have money all month is something that everyone wants to know, to get the money to reach our expenses and to get us to be able to buy gifts. Either for us or for our loved ones. Small gratifications that make us happy and happy. This is a simple spell on how to have money all month, not to become a millionaire much less, simply so that the money stop being that daily problem that we worry so many times and consume the best of our energies, spending the days busy with the mind in that problem without being able to enjoy many times the rest of beautiful and wonderful things that life offers us. To begin this simple trick on how to have money all month, the first thing is to put together the two elements that you will need. 1. A smooth glass beaker. 2. 2 tablespoons of coarse, whole salt, as you prefer. Ritual to get money. 1. On the first Sunday of each month you will fill the glass with tap water and add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and wait an hour. 2. After this time, you will proceed to wash your hands with this preparation while you say this sentence. Salt is protective and she will help me make my money multiply and never lack in my home. 3. In order for this spell to work well, and you get all the money you need, it is essential that you do not dry your hands with anything, just drain them and let the air dry them, naturally. 4. Then you use the same glass, add the other tablespoon of salt and leave it in a corner of your house all day and all night, to absorb the bad energy and then throw it through the toilet of your house. 5. With this simple spell, remember to do it every first Sunday of each new month, you will see that money begins to flow in another way, which not only reaches you, but increases in the amount you need. Money problems are terminated.
Yeah.